Did you know there is an animal that can change its shape, like a blob of jelly? Do you want to know more about this animal? For that, we will have to enter the microscopic world and search this sample of pond water. Let's go. There it is, a tiny, colorless, blob-like jelly thing with a speck in it. This is the amoeba. The name amoeba comes from the Greek word amoebe, meaning change. To move, an amoeba can change its shape and form false feet called pseudopodia. The body structure of an amoeba is very simple. It is made up of a single cell, so it is a unicellular organism. Its body is covered by a flexible cell membrane. Inside, it is filled with a jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm. The movement of the cytoplasm helps in the formation of pseudopodia. The cytoplasm contains a thick, rounded nucleus and tiny, bubble-like structures called vacuoles. Being a living organism, the amoeba also needs food to survive and grow. What do you think this little blobby creature feeds on? The amoeba feeds on anything smaller than itself, such as bacteria, microscopic plants, and animals. But without a mouth, hands, or eyes, how do you think the amoeba can eat? Let's watch how an amoeba feeds. Isn't it amazing? The amoeba is a simple, single-celled animal, but its process of nutrition is somewhat similar to ours. Can you see the similarities? Let's find out the answer by looking at the entire process of nutrition in the amoeba, step by step. What is the first action we take when we eat food? We put the food in our mouth. In other words, we take the food into our body. This act of taking the food into the body is called ingestion. Watch this amoeba ingest a food substance, in this case, another unicellular animal, a paramecium. The moment the amoeba senses food, it starts moving towards it. Slowly, the pseudopodia completely surround the paramecium. The paramecium is engulfed inside the amoeba's body. Without a mouth, teeth, or eyes, this little creature has managed to eat its food. Watch carefully. The paramecium is still alive. It is just trapped in a compartment called a food vacuole. What will happen to this paramecium? The food vacuole will now release some juices or enzymes that will digest this paramecium. But why why do you think digestion is required? Let's go back to our digestive system once again. We ingest complex substances. But the cells of our body can use only simple substances. So, the food is digested or broken down by the digestive juices. What happens to the digested food in your body? The nutrients from the digested food materials are absorbed in the blood and are transported to the various parts of the body. These nutrients are then assimilated or used by our body for growth and other functions. Similarly, in amoebae, the digested materials get absorbed in the cytoplasm. The amoeba uses these nutrients for growth and other life process. What happens to the undigested food material in our body? It is thrown out of the body through egestion. In the amoeba, the vacuole with leftover or undigested material slowly moves towards the cell membrane. The vacuole then bursts open, releasing the waste materials from the body.